Hi everyone. If you think a toilet seat upgrade sounds boring, wait until you're halfway behind the toilet, trying to level a wall remote, and realizing this might change your bathroom routine more than you expected. Today I'm sharing my experience with the TOTO Washlet bidet seat, and I'll walk through what it's like to install, use every day, and live with after the excitement of opening the box wears off. Right out of the box, the first thing I noticed was that everything looked clean, well-packed, and complete. Nothing felt cheap in the main seat itself. The unit has that polished, high-end bathroom fixture look, and once it's sitting on the toilet, it definitely makes a regular toilet feel much more modern. This is basically a bidet seat that turns your existing toilet into a washlet-style setup, so instead of replacing the whole toilet, you're adding the bidet features through the seat. Installation was one of the parts I was most curious about, because bathroom projects can go from quick and easy to why did I start this very fast? In my case, the installation was pretty straightforward. I did not need any major tools, and the basic process was easy enough to follow once I understood the layout. The most awkward part was simply working low around the toilet. If you're comfortable getting down near the floor, reaching behind the toilet, and lining things up carefully, it's very manageable. But I can definitely see how seniors or anyone with back or knee issues might find the install a little challenging just because of the position you have to work in. One important thing to think about before buying a seat like this is electricity. You need power behind or near the toilet. If your bathroom already has an outlet in the right place, that makes the whole setup much easier. If not, that's something you'll need to plan for before expecting a quick installation. The instructions were probably my least favorite part of the setup. They weren't impossible, but they were a little more complicated than they needed to be. Some of the remote functions and settings are not immediately obvious, and I had to spend some extra time figuring out what everything did. The actual seat installation was easier than understanding every feature in the manual. Mounting the control unit on the wall also took a little patience, because getting it level matters if you want the final setup to look neat and intentional. Once installed though, daily use is much simpler than the instructions make it seem. The remote may look a bit vague at first, but after using it for a little while, the basic functions become easy. You don't need to understand every setting on day one. I started with the main wash features, then slowly adjusted things like the warmth and comfort settings until it felt right. The warm water feature is one of the biggest reasons this seat feels like a real upgrade. If you've only used a basic cold water bidet attachment before, warm water makes the experience much more comfortable. The seat warmth is adjustable too, which is especially nice in the morning or during colder weather. It's one of those things that sounds unnecessary until you get used to it, and then a regular cold toilet seat feels surprisingly outdated. The bidet functions themselves are effective and comfortable. The adjustability is a major strength here. You can spend some time dialing in the settings so it works the way you prefer, and that makes a big difference. I like that it doesn't feel like a one-size-fits-all setup. The seat gives you enough control to make it comfortable for different people in the house. The cleaning features are another big reason this seat stands out. It has self-cleaning functions, including cleaning the wand, and there is also a pre-mist and post-use wand cleaning behavior that makes the whole experience feel more sanitary. There's also a function that sanitizes the wand and bowl on a time cycle, and the first time it happened, it honestly surprised me. If you're not expecting it, you may wonder what the seat is doing. But once I knew it was part of the cleaning routine, I just left it on. It can be shut off through a sequence on the remote, but I personally like having it active. In terms of build quality, the main unit feels very well made. The seat looks and operates like a premium bathroom product, and the features work the way they're supposed to. It gives that impression of being thoughtfully designed, not just a gadget added onto a toilet. It also brings real cleansing benefits. After using it regularly, it's hard to go back to a standard toilet seat because the clean feeling is noticeably better. That said, there are a few things I would improve. First, the instructions and remote setup could be clearer. Some of the feature adjustments take more effort to figure out than they should. For example, settings like scheduling the seat light or changing certain automatic functions can feel vague if you're relying only on the written directions. Second, the seat plate fasteners could feel a little more solid. The seat itself feels high quality, but the mounting hardware doesn't feel quite as premium as the main unit. I noticed that the seat can slide slightly side to side from time to time. It's not a deal breaker, but for a product in this price range, I would prefer that part to feel more locked in. Another comfort detail is the shape at the back of the seat. The rear portion curves up higher than I expected, and depending on your toilet and how you sit, that can make it feel a little less comfortable than a fully integrated TOTO toilet. It still works well, and is absolutely useful. But the seat shape may take some getting used to. Water pressure is also something to mention. The cleaning works, but if you're expecting extremely strong pressure, this may feel more gentle than expected. For most normal use, it does the job, but it is not the strongest bidet pressure I've ever experienced. I also noticed that depending on position, water can sometimes splash toward the front under the seat. It doesn't happen constantly, but it's worth being aware of while you're adjusting your preferred settings and sitting position. There also isn't a fully automatic, do everything with one button type of routine, at least not in the way some people might expect. You'll be using the remote to choose what you want, rather than pressing one button and having the seat complete the entire wash and dry process automatically. For me, that's not a huge issue, but it's something to know if you're looking for maximum automation. Price is another factor. This is not a cheap toilet seat upgrade. It sits in that higher-end category, and because it's a TOTO product, it feels priced like a premium product. But after using it, I do think the quality, warm water, adjustable comfort, and cleaning features make it feel worth it if you're serious about upgrading your bathroom routine. Overall, I'd say this TOTO Washlet bidet seat is a very strong upgrade for anyone who wants warm water cleansing, an adjustable heated seat, self-cleaning features, and a more comfortable daily bathroom experience. Installation is manageable, the main product feels high quality, and once you learn the remote, it's easy to use. The downsides are mostly around clearer instructions, slightly better mounting hardware, the raised rear seat shape, and the fact that some settings take patience to figure out. So my balanced take is this: it's expensive, it's not absolutely perfect, and the setup instructions could be better. But the everyday comfort and cleanliness make it a product I'd be happy to keep using. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below.